Get up to 50% off on a wide range of home essentials. That's furniture, appliances, and more. Browse our latest catalog and shop in-store or online. The prices are valid from the 7th to the 20th of October 2024 while stocks last. T's and C's apply.
All abafethu ya kumnandi ukubukela igame efana nalena and after what happened earlier on when I junior and to see the football like this. That's why when you're a big team, you must show a young team ukuthi why am I a big team. You know, akufanelanga ucabange kaningi ukuthi ubanikeze chance to breathe nana. In football, when a man is down, you kick him.
So mfethu mina ngibona umhlolo kakhulu, especially you know, mfethu lezi Sundowns master ama principles of game, yabo. Movement of the ball, technical, clean. Passes, you hardly see Sundowns losing ball by passing. Decision making, look at the goals they score, tap-ins, movement of the ball, omunye umuntu uzoplay lineman no referee. Yes, you might think those are offsides and stuff. Like not the patient, the referee you can't play him or falter anyone or bring VR. These guys, they move off the ball, and credit to the players, they've got quality side. Yabo, pega on the bench, yabo mkhulis kan bangena manje. Pega lentwana ngena litlabika. What's his name? Litlako. Talent lela. So ngibonile na kwanda 20 national team. Angiqala ukumbona umfana. I wanted this boy to be given a chance. Pethe when you left footed, very dynamic and skillful. And when you check abantu abanjengabo River, abo Ripero. It's ubonelele ya past esha uRipero anika lo mchita lo Matthews mfethu Matthews makanika lo mchita uRenas amfethu score like bengathi kula endleleni.
Mina Junior, my worry is ukuthi you know Sundowns ukuthi they will start the ball from the back. So if you decide to play a high line and not pressing lapana pambi, because my booty for mina, look, if you decide to go for a high line, it means you press them from high. So now ufune high line at the back and the midfielders, but up front lapana there's a space lapana for them to start and play. Then how do you defend them? Masabazodala lana kuma pockets.
I'm very disappointed with Maputi. Gube it didn't do well as a legend. Gube bengasi legend le Rose. I'm sure Mrs. Madlala was going to maybe demote him, maybe good development or get rid of. Maputi mini team redeem. I want to see team in a redeem. So lose in style, lose 5 sharp. We see losing 5, but there is a structure in your team. But now I'm very, very disappointed as usual. And number one, you see Sundowns, they build up to find the space behind you. And they would high line, and you're right. So, Baksha, Amakolo Abakora Sundowns is more or less the same monkey. But we are one about build up. Rivaldo, we are Tasha, and then Badala behind him. Mauya you press Ripero, it's play one charge Badala behind Nina. It's a goal because there's a distance between the goalkeeper and the defense. So we enter into several times, and that's why I my principles of game. I'm Shama Puti, and it doesn't have players. I need to be honest, doesn't have players.
Yes, Onachuna, Mina, I look at good Mngqithi Njalo, the game in my question and these answers. Because you're supposed to look at the Sundowns. They build. And once when's a high line, they say to themselves, thank you very much, because you just create a space behind you. And mind you, you can't have a high line when you are against players like Abu Matthews and Speedy, Abu Renas and Speedy, Abu Shadow Lily and Speedy, Abu Clark and Speedy. You can't have that.
I have to compliment Manqoba Mngqithi mfethu. Ubobo mentioned something very important. Yes, I was wishing Manqoba if usebenze nayo Rulani. I think this is what I'm expecting. I think I'm criticized. I was once being critical from Manqoba. But I think we deal in a mindset from players. There's a speed in Sundowns up front now. Once Sundowns get in your half, there's movement quickly. And so they will finish you. You hardly see these guys balloon the ball. Because clinical with passes, movement of the ball, the way their passes. Truly speaking, I'm very pleased how Sundowns play. They're playing identity. They score. It's Mama check a game in a room, maybe by 10. They score the same, more or less. Amakola fan. Couldn't take now Lindo. My tata light. The way they are playing, I think the Chamana Nangama play about signing. The players that they've signed, that's why they play this way. They needed to sign these players in order for them to play this way. So compliment, they won in style, and next week I won't be surprised if they play next week this way. Even that other week as well.
Juna, well done to the coach. I was also one of the people maybe I'm criticizing in terms of the game. But man, when I watch Sundowns, man, I said to Ubobo, you know, you can't be smart all the time in the game.
Yeah.
Sometimes you just need to be dirty. And Manqoba, not that it's dirty, but it just added an element that I think it was lacking in terms of the speed. You know, when you get to that final third, you can't go again with the same pace of the build-up. When you go to final third, it means you need to change the pace, and that's what Coach Manqoba is doing. And again, playing Urenas, no Matthews in those pockets, and Ribeiro coming to that position in number 10 to get those balls. I mean, he makes things easy, and it tells you about the coaching from Manqoba. You know what? This is an element that I'm doing. And look at one player that I'll tell you now, and he has improved. Each and every game is doing very well. Umorena, getting to that final third.
Yeah.
The delivery, because he was always doing that, getting to that final third.
Yeah.
But the delivery was always letting him down.
But so, truly speaking, sometimes the big person who's doing it different in this team. Lucas Ribeiro and this guy, Marcelo Allende. These two, too. You see, Omunyimuntu might not see these guys. The decision making of Marcelo Allende in the middle, dictating the midfield, bullying in that midfield in terms of combination, make sure you go ball circulator every angle, nkhuluma grounding, and also Ribeiro decision making. Beka le ball andlala lo Mngqithi Matthews. Ribeiro is a vital player to Santa, one of the best. Yabona, he's a contender player of the season for me. Yes, Mfukeng, I know, I love the boy. Ngiyawish ukuthi kuba Mfukeng udlala same team him and Mkwena. Yeah. Mfukeng. No, sengiyasho national team. I'm talking about the nation as a whole. Mhlambe kube noMkwena in the middle, and these two playing side left and right. And central, maybe you go noma ngabe ubani, mara obvious mina would go mhlambe ngayo lo Mngqithi Matthews. Lo mntwana lo is a national team player. Catch in future, he deserve a national call up this boy. Kunama player that they give about evident when they are not playing even in their team.
Wanasesi.
No, agami kancane mama ka sister, mntana ka sister agami. Mntana ka sisiza agami. Angithi we talking about the quality. Yeah. We need to be honest that so lo Mngqithi Matthews you are Sundowns na mara training or in
Chuna, that's why when you sign players, you look at the player. With this player, when I bring him here, oh my bro, more sign Sundowns. You sign based on how we play as a team, and the player could structure set also fit now. You know, I'm so happy tonight, very very happy, more than anybody else in this world. I know a lot of people, they're always crying. I said, please, leave my boy alone. He's going to come back. So, Shaya 2. Shalulil. It's sniper, Lesia.
Shaya 2.
Mamela, Junior.
Shaya
1. Oh, he tap in there. Junior.
Oh, come to tap in.
No. That's his job. He needs to be in the right position at the right time and then tap in. That's all that we want. Because he's been getting to those positions and miss.
Yeah, unfortunately, so there's Renas now has improved a lot. And they find him in position. He's not a wide left forward player. I think he's playing central. Very dangerous player, I need to be honest. And talented, very talented, this boy, Litlabika. Yeah, unfortunately, kuna lo Mngqithi Matthews, kuna Renas as well. Ribeiro can come from deep as well. So, he's not going to play. Surely they will use him as a reference lately.
I need to ask you guys before you close the video. Do you think, so Sundowns Shai go MTN 8, ne? Okay, they didn't win the MTN 8. Yes. Obviously, they will win the league. Can they win the Calling knockout? The Calling knockout. But I win the knockout.
It's done. It's done. It's done.
Mr. Gill.
So that's how you wrap up the video. Can Sundowns win the knockout?
So we copy Sundowns because the Pirates you will be Pirates corner. Maybe we're talking different.
No man have corner too. I need to be honest. Pirates is the best team as well. Yeah. They've improved compared to other season. Yeah. I need to be honest. It was gonna be tough. But the Sundowns players, their mindset. That's all the mindset. Fair to these players, nobody can beat these teams unless they beat themselves. It's only themselves who can beat them. And I think players, I need to learn. I'm not too sure what they pay. What I love from Manqoba, take no prisoners. The guy who created a competition is not the obvious team now.
Yeah.
Awukho sure ukuthi uManqoba ulo will start umkwena okanye umndawo. Obheka umdiba even himself is not there. So creating a new competition. Look at this boy now. Little Bika came and score.
Yeah.
Now the boy, we ask it's just raising a voice. There's quality and the coach I love how he did. Yabo uManqoba Mngqithi.
Unkululeko ubuzile la Junior mina ngaphendula wona uthini.
Mina ngithi Sundowns manje. Noma ngabe ayikabi ne.
Yeah.
Singaya kuphi Sundowns the trophy leli izolwina.
iDiskiTV, iDiski Times. Thank you.